All right, today we're going to dive into a health issue that is incredibly widespread. But here's the thing, it often flies completely under the radar, silently affecting millions. So we're going to break down how you can spot it, how you can stop it, and how you can protect one of the most vital organs in your body. Let's get right into it.
Just think about this for a second. What if something inside your body was being compromised day after day without setting off any kind of alarm bell? You know, no obvious symptoms, no real signs of trouble. It's a pretty scary thought, but for a lot of people, it's very real.
So what is this hidden health problem we're talking about? Well, let's pull back the curtain on a condition called fatty liver disease. Fatty liver disease is, well, it's pretty much exactly what it sounds like. It's a buildup of excess fat right inside your liver cells. And all that fat accumulation starts to interfere with the liver's ability to do its job. The most dangerous part, though, in the early stages, it's often completely silent. That's why awareness, just knowing about it, is our absolute best defense.
That's a fair question, right? We hear all the time about heart health, brain health, but the liver? It can sometimes feel like it's just a background player. But is it really? Let's take a look at what's actually at stake here.
Your liver is an absolute powerhouse. Seriously. Think of it as your body's master filtration system. It detoxifies pretty much everything you eat, drink, or breathe. It's also absolutely crucial for digestion and for regulating your entire metabolism. You know, how your body uses energy. So, when fat gets in the way of these critical jobs, the ripple effects can be felt through your entire system. Okay, so if this condition is so common, where does it even come from? Well, as we're about to see in this next section, the answers are often hiding in plain sight, right in our daily habits.
This slide really lays out the challenges our livers face in the modern world. It's usually not just one single thing, but a whole combination of factors. We're talking about diets packed with sugar and fried foods, things like sodas and fast food. It's also about not moving enough, which is often tied to conditions like obesity and high cholesterol. And don't forget stress and sleep. Even our mental state and how well we rest play a huge part in this whole metabolic puzzle.
There's this huge misconception that fatty liver only affects people who are carrying extra weight, but that's just not true. What really matters is what's going on inside, that internal fat around your organs and your overall metabolic balance. The point is, you really can't judge your liver's health just by looking at someone from the outside.
Okay, so we've defined the problem, we know the causes. Now we get to the really empowering part, the action plan. And here's something that is just amazing. Your liver is one of the only organs that can actually regenerate. So the changes we're about to talk about, they're not just about managing a condition. They're about actively rebuilding a vital part of you.
Think of this as your stop doing list. It's all about reducing the burden on your liver. That means cutting way back on the sugary drinks and foods, the processed stuff from the bakery and fast food. It also means being really mindful of things like alcohol and smoking, because those are direct toxins that your liver has to work overtime to process.
And here's the flip side, the start doing list. And just look at how simple and totally achievable these things are. This isn't about some extreme diet. It's about getting back to basics, like simple home-cooked meals. It's about watching your portion sizes and getting your body moving with something as easy as a regular walk. And of course, staying hydrated and getting good sleep. Those are the foundations that support everything else.
Now, while these lifestyle changes are incredibly powerful, it's also so important to know when it's time to call in a professional. So let's talk about the signals your body might be sending you.
Remember how we started this whole explainer talking about how silent this condition is? Well, eventually, that silence can break. Your body can start sending out little distress signals that you absolutely positively should not ignore.
These are the big red flags to watch for. And we're not talking about just being a little tired after a long day. We're talking about a persistent, draining fatigue that just won't go away. Or maybe a nagging discomfort in your belly area. Or you've noticed you're just not hungry like you used to be. If any of these sound familiar, it's really, really important to go have a conversation with your doctor.
And here's another really crucial point. If you're already managing a condition like diabetes, obesity, or high cholesterol, you have to be proactive. Please don't wait for symptoms to show up. Regular check-ins on your liver health should be a non-negotiable part of your overall care plan.
So, let's bring this all together. If there's one single, most important thing to take away from our time together today, what is it?
This is the headline. This is the message of hope. Unlike some other chronic conditions, fatty liver disease, especially if you catch it early, is not a life sentence. The damage is often reversible. Your actions can have a direct, powerful, and positive impact.
And that really brings us to the core of it all, doesn't it? It all boils down to these two things. First, just being aware that this silent threat is even out there. And second, knowing that you don't need some complicated, expensive plan to fight back. Simple, consistent changes are your most effective weapons. So I'll just leave you with this one final thought to reflect on. Your liver works tirelessly for you, 24/7, no days off. The real question is, are your daily choices making that job easier, or are they making it harder? Thanks for tuning in.